workout comprises a circuit of 8 exercises. Perform one set of each exercise, moving as quickly as possible to the next exercise in the circuit until you complete all 8 moves. Repeat the circuit 3 to 5 times depending on your fitness level. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between rounds. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift one foot off the ground and bring that knee all the way in toward your chest. On an exhale, drive your planted heel into the ground to lift your hips off the ground. You should feel your glute and hamstring muscles engage. As your hips begin to come off the ground, forcefully kick your raised leg forward. Inhale as you lower your hips back toward the ground and draw your raised knee back into a bent position. Perform 12 reps. Switch sides. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips and your knees slightly bent. Inhale and brace your core. Exhale as you rotate to your left, extending through both legs and bringing your arms up toward your left shoulder. Avoid hyperextending through your lower back. Your weight should shift onto your left foot. Inhale as you push your hips back, bend your knees, and rotate to your right. Shift your weight to your right foot, allowing your left foot to pivot, and lower your hands toward the ground in front of you in a chopping motion. Perform 12 reps. Switch sides. Start in a plank position with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and feet slightly wider than your hips. Exhale as you lift your right hand off the ground, folding your right arm completely by bringing your right hand toward your armpit, and jab your elbow upward and slightly behind you. Follow your elbow with your gaze, but try to keep your hips squared toward the ground as much as possible. Inhale as you lower your right hand to the starting position. Repeat, this time lifting the left hand. Alternate sides for a total of 12 reps. Stand with your feet at about hip width. Inhale as you push your hips back and bend your knees to lower into a squat. Simultaneously swing your arms backward. Exhale as you extend through your hips and swing your arms forward to jump off the ground while rotating 180 degrees to your right. Land softly on the balls of your feet and allow your arms to swing back as you sink back into your heels. Repeat, this time jumping to your left to return to the starting position. From here, again jump 180 degrees to your right, then 180 degrees to your left to return to the starting position. Alternate sides each time, returning to forward facing for a total of 12 jumps. Start in a low lunge position with your left foot planted and your right knee and right hand on the ground. Exhale as you lift your right knee off the ground and reach your right leg forward through the space created by your right hand and left foot. Keep the leg elevated. Inhale as you return the leg to the starting position. Perform 12 repetitions. Switch sides. Stand with your feet at hip width and hold your hands out in front of you, palms facing out, at face height. Inhale as you step your right foot backward into a lunge, keeping your weight on your left foot. Exhale as you drive through your left heel and extend through your left leg to rise to standing. As you rise, bring your right knee up to chest height and then kick your right foot forward. Continue to keep your hands in front of you. Inhale as you step your right foot back to return to the bottom of a lunge. Perform 12 repetitions. Switch sides.